Hello, my name is Jacqueline Steinley, and I am the Assistant Director of the Additive Manufacturing and Design graduate program at Penn State. Dr. Allison Beasy, the Director of the AMD graduate program, and I manage the AMD Master's program, graduate certificate program, and the AMD concentration option offered through the online MBA program. The AMD program is housed within the Department of Mechanical Engineering and spans both the College of Engineering and College of Earth and Mineral Sciences. Today, we will discuss the OMBA Additive Manufacturing and Design concentration option with you. What is additive manufacturing and design, or AMD? Additive manufacturing, also referred to as 3D printing, is a rapidly advancing set of technologies in the manufacturing sector, redefining how everything from medical devices to aerospace structures are designed, engineered, manufactured, certified, and brought to market. The AMD concentration is designed to be an engaging, practical, and comprehensive program that provides you the analytical and practical skills required for using or identifying use cases for additive manufacturing technologies. The concentration provides an opportunity for you to grow as a leader in advanced manufacturing and help accelerate industry adoption of additive manufacturing while striving to advance technology and develop innovative solutions. The AMD concentration requires 10 credit hours or 3 AMD courses, in addition to the required courses by the OMBA program. With coursework available in legal issues in additive manufacturing processes, and additive manufacturing of metallic materials, course content focuses on quality and efficiency of processes or systems, qualitative, analytical, and statistical methods, workflow, problem solving, analytical thinking, global impact, legal frameworks, and the integration of concepts for broad application. You are not required to take the 3 AMD concentration courses in any specific order. You are welcome to enroll when they best fit your schedule. I will now share additional details about each course with you. The Legal Issues in Additive Manufacturing course is co-taught by Professor Cahoy of the Smeal College of Business and Christopher Higgins. Christopher Higgins is a partner at the law firm of Orrick, Harrington, and Sutcliffe and is based in Washington, D.C. He is a patent attorney and trial lawyer who has developed a global reputation as an authoritative source on 3D printing and intellectual property. His 3D printing practice at Orrick includes advising companies on all aspects of patent law, including prosecution, litigation, and portfolio management. Together, Professor Cahoy and Chris teach students legal rules related to the ownership, enforcement, and management of information related to additive manufacturing. Primary areas of focus include intellectual property, patents, trademarks, copyrights and trade secrets, product liability, and cybersecurity law, as well as the legal rules for related industry practices such as licensing. Their course is offered as a 6-week summer session course for 2 credits. The Additive Manufacturing Processes course is taught by Professor Joshi of Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering. Offered every fall semester for 4 credits, the course covers the fundamentals of additive manufacturing processes. Students will learn the digital workflow steps from design to manufactured additive parts. Additionally, they will learn and gain experience in the various data representation, algorithms and software tools, processes, and techniques that enable additive manufacturing. The additive manufacturing of metallic materials is taught by Professor Beasy of Materials Science and Engineering and Mechanical Engineering. Offered every fall semester for 4 credits, the course exposes students to the state of the art in understanding processing, structure, and property relationships in materials fabricated using additive manufacturing. The goal of the course is to give students a fundamental understanding of the relationships among the complex processing in additive manufacturing, the microstructure of the materials produced, and the properties of these materials. The AMD concentration provides the knowledge and skills that can open doors to new career paths and further education focused on additive manufacturing and design. It can serve as an entry into fields that make use of 3D printing, including aerospace, consumer goods, energy, medical, and oil and gas. It is also an excellent way to add foundational knowledge of this emerging technology to a resume and skill set. The Additive Manufacturing and Design graduate program is designed for working professionals with a bachelor's degree in engineering or a related technical field, and some experience with proficiency 3D printing software and hardware. We welcome students with non-traditional engineering degrees to explore the AMD program and have worked with students from a variety of backgrounds who have been successful in the program. If you have any questions about the AMD concentration in OMBA, please feel free to reach out. We are happy to answer any questions you may have, and we thank you for watching this video.